Hi, and welcome to Market Conversations. Just want to do a quick video on Bed Bath & Beyond. Today is another red day. It was down over 7%. And if we take a look at a one-year daily charts, the last time the stock actually had a rally was back in February and then back in January. And ever since then, had this huge rally. Is sold off and there hasn't been any bounce at all. And every single day, it's just hitting a new low. I would be very cautious of going heavy into Bed Bath & Beyond because they are planning to do a reverse stock split, which in that case, it's very hard for the stock to recover and for retail investors to recover their money back. And the reason I say that is because this year and last year has been a year of reverse stock splits. Just recently, Wish had their reverse stock split. So Wish is trading at $7.57. You can see that the high was around $60. So imagine people that actually bought during IPO. It's going to be very hard for them to recover their money back. Also, we have Sundial did a reverse stock split, Genius Brands, and now possibly BBBY. Very cautious, but as you can see, the volume is still very high. People are still buying call options, hoping for a short squeeze. So for the April 21, 10,000 volume traded for the 0.5 strike. They're only $2, but what if the stock never moves and continues to go down? Why not just buy options that are further out in time, such as the January 2025. So these are going for $22. So one person might ask, why bother buying a call option when you can buy common shares? Just because call options can make you more money. But the downside is call options or options in general, they have an expiration date. So the stock never hits your strike price, the option will just be worthless. Whereas common shares, you can hold on to them as long as possible. You see on Reddit, there's 61,000 members on BBBY. And we have people posting their losses. So such as this person, 83,000. This person has 20,069 shares. And we have some people posting their thoughts. And then we have this person posted this. The big question, why was the reverse stock split vote changed to non-routine? So what is non-routine? Routine proposals, which deal with matters that will not affect the privileges and rights associated with ownership of stock in the business. Examples of this type are proposals for the rectification of auditors. By far, one of the biggest non-routine proxy proposals is the authorization of a merger. But aren't we just voting on a reverse split while maintaining the same 900 million of authorized shares? Wouldn't this be a routine? Because the number of authorized shares of your common stock will not be reduced, the reverse stock split will increase the board's ability to issue authorized and unissued shares without further stockholder action. Example number 2, routine as vote where authorized shares were maintained. The reverse stock split proposal and the adjournment proposal are routine matters. The reverse stock split would not change the number of authorized shares of common stock. The big question, why is our vote now considered non-routine? The theory that the reverse stock split is happening in conjunction with a larger transaction, hence why it's considered a non-routine vote. We will be voting to allow 1 billion share offering S1 to be issued and used for the spin-off IPO, allowing the acquirer to exceed the current 19.99% threshold limitation. We know that any amendments need to be submitted trading days before the vote, May 9, which puts us at April 25th for the last day. And we can see that people commented on this. It says, this is interesting, folks. The voted part from the last image. Does your proxy include an increase in common stock or a reverse stock split proposal? The determination to allow brokers to exercise their discretion to vote uninstructed shares on routine proposals is made based on with the guidance from NYSE Rule 452. If you have an increase in common stock or a reverse stock split proposal, it is important to check with the NYSE to determine if they consider the proposal routine or non-routine prior to printing your proxy statements. Normally, these proposals would be coded as routine. However, they are considered non-routine if they relate to another transaction, such as a merger. All we can do right now is be patient and see where the next few weeks takes us, and hopefully we get some bullish news to drive the price up. We definitely need a green day. It's just been too many red days, and I know a lot of people are depressed from this. I'm down currently, and I'm just hoping that we get some really good news in the next few days or few weeks. And as far as call options, just be very careful and only invest what you can afford to lose. Let me know in the comments if you're buying BBBY, and thanks for watching.